was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
7-8 Chevy boy, man. Just got through playing with the truck. Just finished playing with that junk. Now, come in here. It's a crank Cayenne. I don't know what. I mean, I ain't cranked it up in over a week, man, but the battery shouldn't be going down like that, man. What it do, man? What it do? I forgot to introduce myself, man. 7-8 Chevy boy, man. We back at you with another video. Boys ain't one thing, it's another. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. My girl Cayenne, right? I come out here, I said, man, let me crank her up. Let her get a little wind. Breathe a little bit. I ain't crunk up, I promise, in over a week, maybe 2 weeks now. And man, nothing. I said, man. So, I'm gonna put my little jump box to work. I got my big one down there, it's all charged up. The little one charged up too. See, it's charged up. Fully. So we're gonna prop this up. I'm gonna connect it to the battery. We're gonna see if this little junk can boost it off. I might just have to go ahead and end up putting me a big battery in here, but this battery is fairly new. It ain't even, I mean, well, it's a year old. I got it back when I first did the swap. My cables and stuff, they are tight, no corrosion in them. Probably just this little cheap Walmart battery, man. Drop down in the comments, y'all. Suggest what upgrade battery should I put. Not a dry cell, just a good, like I be seeing those diehards and all that. You know what I'm saying? Big batteries. Let me know what I should put in here, man. Give me your input on it. But let me set this up so we can check this out. Alright. Alright. Alright, it's on now. I think what I'm supposed to do now is, I think it said if it's dead, let it sit on there about a minute. So let it sit on there for a minute, man. Fire it up. Now, one thing I haven't been doing, I didn't put my battery center on there like I said I was gonna do. Man, I honestly, oh, okay, it's up there. I'm finna put it on there after tonight, though. It's finna go on there. It's definitely finna go on there. Yep. So, let me see. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Put that battery center on this junk, man. Hold on. Let y'all see what I see. Hold on. If we got fire. If we got some good fire coming from that junk. Not a thing. Oh. Is it the little jump box not strong enough? Or we have another problem? Is the battery just flat out dead? Or do I supposed to hit this button? No. I'm supposed to hit that button. We're gonna put the big one on here and see. We're gonna put the big joint on here and see. We'll be right back, man. Alright, y'all, we back, man. We got the big dog. We finna see will the big dog crank it up. Trying to get my little mount right here. Hold on. There we go. This one here, I don't know how many amps this one got. I know the small one got like 2,000 amps or something like that. But I know last time the dashboard did light up. It just want to know to crank it. This time, that joint ain't doing nothing. So you about to see. About to see what this one gonna do, man. Y'all cross your finger for me, man. Cross your finger. Cross your finger, ball lady. Ball lady sitting right there, y'all. Y'all can't see it. She out here being nosy. If it work, my light's supposed to come on right there. Came on a little bit right there. It's gonna come on. Yeah, see, it's big on the crank it. Oh, that what it was? Yeah, this big on the crank it. I'm kind of skeptical about that little one now. That little one won't do nothing. Let's see if we got anything in the inside, y'all. Yep, lights on the floor. Oh man, what my little one doing? I gotta go back and read the box. See that I performed the procedure right. We'll be back, y'all. We'll be back. Hold your show on. Come on, y'all. 14 volts, right at 14. Let me see what we got. Turn it off. Yeah. Lights on the floor, damn. I don't know what's over there. Gotta let it run a little more, man. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put the battery tint on it for a while and see. We're gonna put the battery tint on it and see, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hook the other one up. I still got my partner junk. It'll tell me the percentage of the battery. Like the percentage of the battery. Hold on. Let me get my partner jump. Cayenne, Penny will be taking a trip in the morning, man. She will be taking a trip in the morning. See, this is my partner jump right here. It'll actually tell you the percentage of the battery. So we finna see, man. Let's see what it gonna do. The one I bought was the wrong one. You know, I bought one like this, but I bought one for a lithium battery. I think a lithium battery, not your standard batteries. So I gotta send that one back. I got to send that one back, man. Hold on. I gotta get my stuff back right. So we finna hook this up and see what this will give us. I think it's just this little cheap Walmart battery, to tell y'all the truth. Cause if it crunk up and them volts showing like they should, that means the alternator is doing its job. It's this darn battery, man. See, it won't fire back up. That has something to do with the battery. So it ain't no big thing. I'm just gonna narrow it down with the help of y'all. Y'all gonna tell me some good batteries to get, and I'm gonna do my research on what y'all say. And man, we just gonna find us another battery to put in here, man. Ain't no big thing. Small thing to a giant, man. 7-8 Mafia, man. We 7-8 Mafia. You finna get this. You got this, dog. I wanted to take a little cruise in my baby today. I wanted to take a little cruise. But we finna see though. So it's gonna analyze the battery, and then it's gonna analyze it. See, it says analyzing battery, charging. How many percent? Charging. Is it this low? It should come up and say. And it might be that low to where it can't even say how much yet. This is not the first time I've done this though. But like my wife said, man, I need to crank it more. I leave these cars out here, but I have the battery center on the Chevy at all times. I can go around there and show you now. There's one on there now. I gotta start doing the same thing for this one. It don't have a system in it. But that battery, man, not being cranked for 2 weeks, cold weather, up and down, that probably had something to do with it. Dang, that junk says 0%, bro. Y'all saw that? 12 volts and 0%. Man, what the? Now, last time I did that, the joint said it was at 80. I think at 90% when I hooked it up. That old battery might be dead. Hopefully, I got some type of warranty at Walmart, man. I ain't got no. Well. I ain't gonna sell warranty. I don't even want that battery no more. You know what I'm saying? I want one that's bigger and better. So I might just have to charge that one to the game, man. Let me see what it says again. I'm just gonna let it charge up then, I guess, huh? 5%. It's going up pretty fast. So we're just gonna let that do what it do, man. We're just gonna let that do what it do. Like I was saying, so it won't draw, my light won't draw nothing off of it. We just let it down on top of it like that. We just let it down. Yeah, like I was saying, man, Penny taking a trip in the morning, man. Getting up that highway, man. Getting up that highway, dog. I'm put on the trailer. We're gonna trailer it. We got a 3-hour drive tomorrow. I'm going to the doctor, man. Y'all know I'll take Penny for them. I take any of my cars for them doctor's appointments, man. Just like I do my kids. I don't miss no doctor's appointment. So we got one tomorrow. And we gonna see what's up, baby. So man, Chevy boy, man, y'all keep it locked. Today ain't over with, man. It's just 3:27. Depending on what this battery do, man, we probably finna jump in this, baby. That battery gonna crank up, man. Like right here. That's my little Motor Patrol truck. It's charging up now. It's halfway done. Gotta get up to 4 dots for it to be done. It's on 2. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. All right. Said me, Chevy boy, we back, baby. I'm finna show y'all what I did wrong on the small joint. I just pulled the manual up and I was reading the manual because I looked for my box. I cannot find my box with the manual in it. I bet I'm gonna run up on it when I ain't looking for it. See, I don't think I had a proper connection on there because it says once you hook both of the battery cables up and you had the power on, that this boost light is gonna light up when it's ready for you to jump start it. So either I took it off too quick, it didn't give it time enough to shoot a little juice to it, or I just didn't have a good connection over there. So for y'all thinking that this one wasn't no good, I'm not saying that. See how it's on now? And this chain, you hear it clicking? Listen. See, I think it's shooting the juice to it then. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to show y'all that it does work, and that's how it lets you know. This white boost button will light up. It lets you know when it's ready for boost off. So either I was too early or didn't have a good connection, baby. 787, boy, keep it locked. We back. Man, believe it or not, this battery is charging up rather quick. It's charging up rather quick. It ain't even been that long since y'all saw me put the battery charger on there. Probably, man, maybe about 35, 40 minutes, man. It's up to 57%. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's good. Hopefully we'll get it on up to 100. We'll see though. 77 boy. We'll be back. Told y'all, man, we about to load old girl up, man. Crank her up. Gotta move my truck from up there too. Before I be done ran it over. Always on green, man. Always on green. Always on go, baby. Yes, sir. I'm telling him I put that. Oh, okay. It's in my hands. I was gonna say. I'm telling him I put that key in the trunk. Move this here out the way. Y'all already know we're gonna hit it with the remote start, baby. Cold start. Since I picked it up from Mr. Lynn. I'm gonna get the revised bulbs from my boy Jazz. He has the one that's just a one smooth LED strip. Definitely gonna get him to swap them out for me. Y'all see it. Put on the trailer, man. Put on the trailer. I done pulled the big trailer out. Hold on with it. I ain't got the key to the big trailer. To the truck. Yeah, I think this I'm finna measure it right now. Let me get my light out here, y'all. Alright. Alright, gonna set it up. I'm about to measure and see what I got. Y'all. I think I got an 18 with a 2-foot dog. That's what I think. Hold on. Alright. Y'all finna see right with me what I got. It's all together, my joint is 18 foot 3 inches, 3.5 inches. Yep, 18 foot 3.5 inches. I told you I'm on my level. That's why I had to focus in. 18. So that's with the little ramp thing, but the actual trailer is right there. Is like at 18 3/4. So you can say 18 foot. So it must be a 16 with a 2-foot dub. 18, yeah. Yep. 18 with a 2-foot dub. No, 16 with a 2-foot dub. I got an 18-foot trailer. Put it like that. 18-foot trailer. Alright. Man, y'all gonna be mad at me, man. I done got ahead of myself, thinking I had the junk recording. And man, I done put the car on the excuse me, I done put the car on the trailer, man. Got the junk loaded up. I gotta let it back a little bit, roll it back some, put a little bit more of that weight over the tire, over the axles. But yeah, I got it up there, man. I ain't even gonna scrap it, cause I'm on my level like I told y'all. And I just wanna make sure I scrap it right, so I'm just gonna bag on back, man. Me and Big Mike, we'll scrap it in the morning, man. Scrap it down. Wife will wanna go get some tacos, man. Don't know if I really got the taste for any, but I am finna take her to get them. So, well, I'm gonna ride with her. 78 Chevy boy, keep it locked, man. All right. Yeah, man, I got a bag black on bag with Penny on that junk. Like I said, me and Big Mike gonna have to we'll have to scrap it down in the morning, bag her up some, cause I don't have her bumper that far over the rail. So I know I definitely gotta bag her back a little bit. 78 Chevy boy, y'all keep it locked, man. Like I said, we're finna ride and get these tacos. And never know. Don't know what we might do, man. Might do some karaoke, anything, man. All right, 78 Chevy boy, keep it locked. All right. Yeah, man, 78 Chevy boy. We back. Just went over there with boss lady. She drove. Get us some tacos. Now we about to go in, man. I got me four chicken. She got 4 shrimp. And I'm about to murder this, man. And call it a night after this. Like I said, we're gonna leave in the morning. Better be on the next video. We gotta scrap it down. Hit the highway, gas up and hit the highway, man. 78 Chevy boy. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. Peace.